Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about get Wi-Fi network forget setting. How can we forget our Wi-Fi network in our Oppo phone? Guys, you have connected any device and guys you want to forget this network. So how can you forget guys this your Wi-Fi network in your Oppo phone device? In this video I will show you guys how can we forget Wi-Fi network. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys we will on our phone setting to forget our Wi-Fi network. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys your second option Wi-Fi setting, friends, tap here. As you can see guys, we have this Mukesh Wi-Fi and guys we want to this, we want to forget this device means network. So how can you forget guys? You can see this right side icon guys, tap here. As you can see remove this network option guys, you can see Wi-Fi QR code. So friends you want to share this Wi-Fi network, so you can share from here. And friends you can see this remove this network guys, tap here to forget. So when this network will forget, then guys you cannot use this network guys. You want to use guys, you will have to enter password again, then guys you can use this Wi-Fi network. So like that guys, you can forget your Wi-Fi network in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.